So in our last section we have seen all the details about the decision tree. Now we will start with the Navy bias. Navy bias is a simple technique which is used for constructing the classifiers. It is a simple technique which is used for constructing the classifier, means models that assign the class labels to the problem instances and they are represented as the vector of feature values where the class labels are drawn from some finite set. So it is the model that assigns the class label to the problem, and how they are representing it as the vector of feature values where the class labels are drawn from where? From the finite set. So it is the simple algorithm which is used for various things, means we can train the classifiers, but a family of algorithm based on common principle that all Navy bias classifiers assume that the value of particular feature is independent of the value of another feature. For example, a fruit may be considered to be an apple. Okay, a fruit may be considered to be an apple if it is red, if it is round, and if the rough diameter is 10 centimeter. So, Navy bias classifier considers each of these features to contribute independently, means that this fruit is apple regardless of the correlations between the color, the roundness and the diameter features. So, that is how the particular Navy bias system works. So, a classifier sorting fruits into apple and oranges would know that apples are red, round and of certain size, but would not assume all these things at very once, because orange are also round. So for some types of probability models, Navy bias classifiers can be trained very effectively. So it is one of the simple and most effective classification algorithm which helps in building the fast machine learning models. We can say that it is a probabilistic classifier. Now, what is meaning by probabilistic classifier? So which means it is a probabilistic classifier, that means it projects on the basis of probability of an object, means whatever object we are having, according to that probability the probability classifier works. So some popular examples of Navy bias algorithm are spam filtration, sentiment analysis and classifying the attribute. So the Navy bias algorithm is comprised of two words, we can say that. The first one is Navy and the second one is the bias. So it is called Navy because it assumes that the occurrence of a certain feature is independent of the occurrence of other features, as I given already the example of apple. So that's why it is called as Navy. And bias is, it is called as bias because it depends on the principle of Bayes theorem. That's why it is called as bias. As I said, the features are independent in Navy. We have taken the example of apple where the fruit is identified on the basis of color, shape and taste. Then red, spherical and sweet fruit was recognized as apple. Hence, each feature individually contributes to identify that it is an apple. Because if I will say it is round, then we cannot say it is apple or it is dependent on anything, because there are various fruits which can be apple, orange or anything. So that's why these are the techniques that uses the classifiers which considers the features that are independent of each other. That's why it is called as Navy. And bias because it depends on the principle of Bayes theorem. So we can see this Bayes theorem as in the given slide, that the Bayes theorem provides a way of calculating the probability, that is nothing but P of C by X from PC, Px and Px by C. So what is the Bayes theorem? That P of Cx, that is posterior probability, is calculated by Pxc into Pc upon Px, where we can see over here P of C by X is nothing but probability, as its name implies it is P, that means probability. probability which, that is nothing but posterior probability. Then P of x by c is likelihood, P of c is class prior probability, and P of x is predictor prior probability. We are calculating the posterior probability by likelihood and class prior probability divided by the predictor prior probability. So this is the Bayes theorem. So as it is combination of Navy and Bayes theorem, it is called as Navy Bayes. So this was all about Navy Bayes and the fundamental thing about Navy Bayes. In our next section, we will see how the Navy Bayes algorithm works. Thank you.